Yes, sir. Welcome back to the channel, Be On Boss YouTube channel, where I know how to teach you how to start your own business, make passive income, side gig, economy apps, anything to help you level up in life. We about that. Back with another courier driving last mile position for you guys. Be on boss, start your own logistics company. Well, most of you guys are here for. I got this content for days. I'm gonna keep you filled up with driving positions in your area. If that's something you like, something you're interested in, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, because I'm here 2-3 times a week with this good content. You don't want to miss out. You want to be the last to apply for these jobs, and also hit the share button, share this out to the larger audience, and also leave a content because it helps me get out into the YouTube algorithm and helps everybody get to the money and get back to work. But you see the title, you see the thumbnail. Another great courier business looking for you in your area. DriveForce, company that is US based, is basically a search engine for people and companies who are looking for driver positions. I'm going to leave a link to the description down below, but here's the website. You get to see all the opportunities. So you can search opportunity here, or you can search by state. Always easy to search by state. You see they're looking for box trucks, cargo vans, small cars, sprinter vans, SUVs, full-time or contract. And let's look at these locations. So we got Arizona, California, Florida, Georgia, Iowa, Kansas, Michigan, North Carolina, New York. A lot of people say it's hard to find stuff in New York. Here go New York right here, guys. So you got Columbus, Georgia, Texas, Virginia. People say it's hard to find stuff in Virginia. I see Illinois. We got Elk Grove. Not sure that's close to Chicago. Lake Charles is close to New Orleans. So pretty much got east to west and everywhere in between covered here. But I'm here in Atlanta. So let's check out ATL. So Atlanta service provider. So they need box trucks with the lift gate, and they need people with vans and minivans. I got the cargo van, sprinter van from Ford, what I got off my business credit. If you're interested in getting a vehicle through your business credit with no money down, no payments for the first 90 days, low interest, holler at me, join my business credit mentorship, and join my other channel, Credit K YouTube channel, where I teach you how to build your business credit for free. Or you can rock with me and get into my mentorship program where I can get you there in 3 to 6 months. So you need a smartphone, be able to lift 40 pounds, a dolly, get paid bi-weekly. Like that. But they're looking for somebody to industrial part delivery. Not sure how heavy that is, but you don't need a van or a cargo van, so must not be too big. You're only lifting 40 pounds, but you do need a dolly, so you're probably moving a lot of stuff, local areas, but the bi-weekly pay. It's kind of a stretch driving around. Let's see if we can see any other cities. Let's go down to Virginia. Richmond, Virginia. Let's see what we got. Richmond needs a box truck. Same thing, get paid bi-weekly. Wait, so you just go here, respond to the ad, or you can send it to somebody. Look kind of like Indeed, this ICMS software. So once you go there, and that sends to the hiring manager, to whoever put that ad up, and there you go. You got you a load book, or you a route, dedicated route. So try DriveForce. Like I said, link in the description down below to apply. And remember, always be on boss, baby.